We've all seen feathered designs in jewellery before. I'm certainly no stranger to this. I've made many pieces for other designers and large jewellery houses in my career. My very first collection that I ever put together was based on Native American jewellery and featured the feather motif. Goros is one of those legendary brands that has achieved cult status. Highly exclusive. If you want a piece of Goros jewellery, you can't just go online and click a button and order one and it will turn up at your house. You've got to jump on a plane over to Harajuku in Tokyo, queue up outside the shop early to get a raffle ticket just to enter the store. Once inside the shop, you are limited to the amount of pieces that you can buy. Whether you're a rocker, a K-popper, a denim head or a hype beast, this brand is loved all over the world. Now, it is lockdown and I'm not going to get the chance to go to Japan anytime soon, so I thought I would have a go at making my very own Goros inspired feather pendant. Let's hit the bench. Started life when Goro Takahashi was gifted leather engraving tools by US soldiers occupying Japan. He moved to the US and became a legit member of the Lakota tribe, being given the name Yellow Eagle and being taught some of their traditional jewelry making and metal engraving techniques. He was also one of the first outsiders to take part in some of their sacred ritual dances. beautiful, intricately engraved feathers are known for looking like they're blowing in the wind. Here at London Rocks, we're used to working with lots of modern techniques. We use platinum and gold and diamonds every day. So it's a really nice departure to work on a piece like this, which is steeped in so much history and tradition. If you want to know what we're going to make in our next video, don't forget to subscribe and stay up to date with everything jewellery, diamonds and gems. My name's Carl Carter, this is London Rocks, and I'll see you next time.